Hey guys, just a short little video today, working on an LG washing machine. Wanted to show you, on an LG washing machine, the most common point that they leak is going to be one of these fill valves. This is the hot, and this is the cold. There's, as you see, 3 solenoid controllers. There's 3 outlets for the cold water. And if you look, I'm not standing in the way of the light there, you can see that one right here is rusty. So this is where it's been leaking. In order to remove this, you remove 3 hoses. 1, 2, 3. 3 wiring harness connectors. 1, 2, 3. And then these 2 screws right here. And as you see, I'm going to do this without dropping it. It just comes right out. So now we're going to install our new one. Get this screw started. I know that's probably not the most visually appealing shot, but I've only got 2 hands. Screw there, 1 screw here, screwdriver, and installation is just the reverse of removal. Reattach the 3 hoses. It's be pretty obvious where they go. They're still going to want to go right to where they were always hooked up at. So. Clamps will go right back where they should. I'm trying to do this while holding the camera is not the easiest thing. Number 2, you go on. Alright. So we got 1, 2, 3. And that is now done. Now we just need to reinstall the lid, which on these is as easy as that. You see how it does that? Slides in, locks in, look down the sides, make sure she's all lined up. And there are 2 screws. Here and right here, and that's all that holds this lid in. Very, very easy to replace.